Hi guys, Nicole Bowling here. Just want to welcome you all to my reborn baby nursery. We have Jace, Harper, Colette, Robin, and the naughty Nanny McBee. Welcome to my nursery. So I have a little treat for y'all today. I want to show y'all what I've been busy doing. This is my sweet Colette, and I love her with all my heart. And so she is modeling my creations. I have been making Halloween and Christmas pacifier holders and headbands. So this is the first one. And I will be putting these up for sale. I've had a lot of requests on Instagram to put them up for sale. And they will be up for sale when I get a whole bunch more made. When they put out the Halloween ribbon, so I have more options to do, you know, with what I want. And so they will be for sale on my Instagram page once I complete them all. So here is the first one. I'm going to show you. I've been very, very, very busy, so we're going to have a little fashion show here. Here's another one. I like big and blingy. So a lot of them are big and blingy. And I actually made the headband part myself. That's kind of a, I can't think of the pattern of the headband. Filigree or damask, I can't think of it. So that is the second one. Here's the third one. Very, very cute, and they are not pre-made or pre-ordered, so they are all one of a kind. And as far as pricing goes, it's there. I'm thinking that $5 a headband is going to be a very fair price. So she's got a little glitter on her. So that's what we were gonna do, and plus $2.50 shipping, and then we'll go. You know, I can usually ship for $2.50 up to probably 3 or 4 of them, but anything beyond 3 or 4. I'm going to have to increase the shipping on because, of course, I'll have to move into a bigger package. And here starts the Christmas ones, which I cannot wait for Christmas. This little bow says, "Let it snow." The other little bow has presents all over it. Sorry for my shadow. If any of y'all have been watching me for a while, you know my lighting in this nursery is not the best. Let me show y'all. We have these canister lights, and we only have 4 of them in here. So, let's go on to the next Christmas headband. So this is one of my favorites, and it's done. I made the headband using the silver filigree, or you know what, if it's not filigree, just excuse what I say, and you know what I'm talking about. I've been up since early, and it's been a rough morning. I'll get to that later. So this is actually one of my favorites because I like the big bows, and the blue looks so sweet on her. But it's got little snowflake flurries. And here's another. All the bows, everything is handmade. Look how sweet she looks. And another, and this one has Santas all over the ribbons. And it's got some bling bling in the middle, which are beautiful, beautiful pieces. They're actually got a little weight to them. And some little bling on the headband. And here is another. It says, "Let it snow." I like this one because it's really shabby chic, and that's what I'm trying to go for with the headbands and the passy clips. She looks sweet as can be. Here's one with some little flat back faux pearls and little Christmas trees and some pink yarn ribbon. And I think that looks precious. I love this one. So, here's some more of my creations, but these are spoken for. They're actually going to a good friend of mine. See the passy clip, the headbands. So, what did I have happen to me this morning? Well, I've received lots of emails and lots of pictures and messages on my Instagram in dealing with a trade for Mr. Jace. He is still available. I'm keeping my options open because I am being picky about it because, you know, if you're not sure, I'd rather just keep him. I've been talking with a girl for several days now regarding a trade, and it just didn't work out. So he's back up for trade or sale, and if you would like to contact me in bowling1@hotmail.com or find me on Instagram under the same name, and my profile picture is a profile pic of Colette in a little white romper. So it's got like little pink on the chest. So anyways, guys, that's what I have been up to. Just busy crafting, and he is putting in today for Florida. So I'm leaving it in God's hands. Whatever happens, happens, and we'll make a life somewhere else if he gets it. If not, we're just going to continue our lives here. So, anyways, guys, that's all I have to show you for today. If you'd like to see more of my babies in my nursery, like and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and love you all. Bye-bye.